CBSE, Science, Class 10, Chapter 2, Acids, Bases and Salts.
Let us learn the chemistry chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers are in white color.
You have two solutions A and B. The pH of solution A is 6 and that of solution B is 8. Which solution has more hydrogen ion concentration? Which of these is acidic and which one is basic? The pH of a solution is inversely proportional to the concentration of H plus in solution. Lesser the pH of the solution, more will be the H plus concentration. The solution A with pH 6 has more H plus concentration than the solution with pH equal to 8. The solution A is acidic because its pH is less than 7 and the solution B is basic because its pH is more than 7. What effect does concentration of H plus ions in aqueous have on acidic nature of a solution? The acidic nature of a solution is directly related to the concentration of H plus. As the concentration of H plus increases, the acidic nature of the solution also increases. Do basic solutions also have H plus ions in aqueous? If yes, then why are these basic? Yes, basic solutions also have H plus ions. As the solutions are prepared in water and water being a weak electrolyte, it dissociates into H plus and OH minus, but the number of H plus are very small as compared to OH minus ions. Under what soil conditions do you think a farmer would spread or treat the soil of his field with quicklime, also called calcium oxide, or slaked lime, also called calcium hydroxide, or chalk, also called calcium carbonate? A soil usually becomes acidic when there is either a high peat content or iron minerals or there are some rotten vegetables in the soil. In order to reduce the acidic strength, liming of soil is usually done. For this, any of the substances that have been mentioned are added to the soil since they are of basic nature. Name the substance which upon treating with chlorine gives bleaching powder. Write the chemical equation for the reaction. Slacked lime is the substance which reacts with chlorine to give bleaching powder. CaOH 2 plus chlorine react and make CaOCl2, that is bleaching powder, plus water. Name the sodium compound used for softening hard water. Washing soda or sodium carbonate decahydrate, Na2CO310H2O. What will happen if the solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated? Write the chemical equation involved. Carbon dioxide gas will evolve and sodium carbonate will be formed. 2NaHCO3 produces Na2CO3 plus CO2 plus H2O. Write the chemical equation for the reaction between plaster of Paris and water. Chemical equation for the reaction between plaster of Paris and water is CaSO4 half H2O plus H2O produce CaSO4 2 H2O, that is gypsum. End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email ID given below. The question answers of this chapter 2 acids, bases and salts will be continued in the next videos.